We'll guide you through how to create a Printify journal. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and click on the catalog button. You'll see a wide range of products you can customize, but for this, select the home and living category and then choose journal and notebooks. Now you're in the design area. You can upload your own design by clicking on the start designing button. Make sure your design meets the recommended resolution requirements to ensure the best print quality. You can upload images directly from your computer, or if you prefer, use the integrated Shutterstock library for high quality images. Once your design is uploaded, you can resize, rotate, or reposition it on the journal cover using the editing tools provided. Take your time to adjust it just right, and remember to preview your design to check how it will look when printed. If you're satisfied with your design, click on Save Product. You can then set a title, description, and add tags to make it easier to find in your store. Now, don't forget to set your pricing. Printify provides a base cost, and you can add your markup to determine your profit. Once everything is set, click Publish to add it to your store. With that, your custom journal is ready to be ordered or sold. It's that simple to get your creative ideas into a physical product. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.